Good morning. Welcome to the class of History of Class 9. Now we will discuss Chapter 1, Part 3. You can take out your book from page number 71. We will be discussing point number 2, the art of sculpture and crafts. So, in this very topic, we will be discussing about the art and sculpture and craft. Here it is saying, the statues and figurines of young bull, a stout was dog, a soul-wearing yogi, a dancing girl, and a male dancer have been found at different sites of the Indus Valley civilization. These type of figurines and the dancing girl and the soul-wearing yogi have been found at different sites in Harappan civilization. So you can very well understand that this type of art and sculptures have been found in Harappan civilization. So in this, all these figurines, the dancing girl is very important. The question comes from the topic, what do you understand by dancing girl of Harappan civilization, or where is the dancing girl found? The statue of dancing girl is found. All this nicely depicts the physical features of animal and people of whose statues these are. The metal workers at Mohenjo-daro and Harappa were quite skilled in their art. The metal workers and were very skilled. Skilled means they were highly talented in their art. A bronze statue of dancing girl. I have told you earlier that dancing girl is very important. That's why the point is being repeated here. The bronze statue of dancing girl is shown relaxing after a dance performance. The statue shows the dancing girl is relaxing in this statue. Her right hand is on her hip and her left hand is dangling free. She is wearing a large number of bangles. There are a large number of bangles in her wrist. So this is all about the description of dancing girl. Next, the art of making pottery. Pottery was also very common at that very period. So what does the chapter says about the pottery, art of making pottery at the period of Harappan civilization? The Indus Valley potters quite well knew the use of potter's wheel. Potter's wheel means कुम्हार की चक्की. कुम्हार की चक्की जिस पे कुम्हार जो है मिट्टी का बर्तन बनाता है, that were very well known in the period of Harappan civilization. With the help of, they produce articles of different shape and design. The clay pottery was baked and its surface was painted with glazed colors. Birds, animals and human figures were made on these items of pottery. Means the pottery was very well baked and they were painted and figures of animal, birds and humans were made on that very pot to make it beautiful. Next point, carving and painting. The Indus Valley people were very good in the art of carving also. The carving of various animals on seals are really praiseworthy. उनका जो है प्रशंसा जो है वो किया जाता है. The Indus Valley people liked painting, so they drew different kinds of design and figures on earthwares and utensils. बर्तनों पे वो चित्रकारी किया करते थे. कौन? हड़प्पा सभ्यता के लोग. Seals. Figures of animals and human beings were engraved on seals. From these seals, we get to know about dress, hairstyle, and ornaments of the people of the Indus Valley civilization. What information does we conclude from the seals that we have got from Harappan sites? They give us information about the dress of the Harappan people, the hairstyle of the Harappan people, and the ornaments that were used by the Harappan people in Harappan civilization. The seals reveal a lot about the religious belief, commercial activities, and trade relation with people at those times. They also tell us about the script of Indus Valley people. Of all the 2000 seals discovered so far, the most important one is the seal of Shiva or Pasupati, which has been discovered at Mohenjo-daro. So the seals are very important for the purpose of information about the Harappan civilization. It gives a great deal of information about that very period. The art of writing script. Harappan people knew the art of writing. The art of writing was also known to the Harappan people. They knew how to write. means how to convey their message in written form. Many specimens of Harappan script have been found on seals, copper tablets, axes, pottery, but unfortunately the Harappan script has not been deciphered till now. अभी तक Harappan script को पढ़ा नहीं गया है. Some scholars connected it to Indo-Aryan and Sanskrit, while others connected with Sumerian language. There are more than 400 signs in Harappan script. There are 400 signs in Harappan script, and most of these have been found on seals. These Harappan signs have been found on seals. The large number of them are very small group of few letters. No bilingual inscription has been discovered in the Harappan script so far. A pictographic and each sign stand for a sound, abstract or object. It was written from left to right. It is written from left to right as we write today, and was an invention of Harappans themselves. It was invented by Harappans themselves. The next point is third point, that is economic life of the people. What does the economic life convey? The message about the economy of that very period. The economic life of the people. Dress and ornaments. The Indus Valley people were first in the world to spin cotton and woolen yarn. The economic activity was having the activity of spinning cotton and woolen yarn. This has been confirmed from the discovery of number of clay spindles of different sizes. All of these cities, moreover, needles and buttons have also been found there. They preferred loose dresses. Men wore dhoti and a shawl. The women wore type of skirt and wrapped a shawl round their shoulders. Men kept their hair short and their beard trimmed. Women, on the other hand, like to keep long hairs. Women like to keep long hairs, as today also. Today they are having short hairs, but at that time they are having long hairs. And dressed their hair in a variety of styles. Even that time, the hairstyle were of different types. They used combs to decorate their hair. They used combs. Men and women, both rich and poor, wore ornaments. Even men used to wear ornaments. Women are fond of ornaments. Even men of that time were fond of ornaments. Necklace, fillets, armlets, finger rings were common to both men and women. In addition to these, women also wore girdles, earrings, nose rings, anklets, bangles, nose studs, and bracelets. The women loved cosmetics. They were fond of looking beautiful and charming. Food. People of the Indus Valley ate wheat and barley. Wheat and barley was common at that time as a food. They ground these in millstones and baked them into bread. Rice too was a part of their food. Apart from wheat and barley, rice also comprised their food. Besides these, milk and milk products, fruits, especially pomegranate and bananas, fresh vegetable, fish and meat were also taken by them as the item their food. This comprised their food. It is more or less common with today's food. Fast food were not at that time, but what was the common food, the basic food that we eat today, that was also common at that very time. Occupation. Agriculture was the most important occupation of the people of the Indus Valley. Agriculture was the main occupation of that very time. The fields were near the rivers. खेत जो होते थे वो नदी के किनारे होते थे. So they built small dams, channels, embankments to control the supply of water. The existence of the granaries suggested that production of food grains was quite in surplus. जो अन्न का उत्पादन होता था वो बहुतायत मात्रा में होता था, इतना होता था कि अपनी ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा होता था. Domestication of animals was another occupation of people. Apart from agriculture, domestication of animal मतलब जानवरों को पालतू बनाना, उनका उपयोग करना अपने गृह कार्यों के लिए. Oxen, bulls, sheep, pigs, buffaloes, elephants were domesticated. Camels and asses were used as a beast of burden. गधों और ऊँटों का इस्तेमाल भार ढोने के लिए, सामान को ढोने के लिए, एक जगह से दूसरी जगह ले जाने के लिए किया जाता था. There were carpenters, goldsmiths, potters, toy makers, weavers, engravers, seal makers, and layers, bead makers, tool making, and weapon making were the other occupation. These are the certain occupations that were present at the time of Harappan civilization. Trade and commerce. Trade and commerce. These are the last 2 points. Let me discuss in this very video. The video should be of 10 minutes, but I will take 2 more minutes. Trading and commerce were flourishing occupation of the merchants class people in Indus Valley. Trading and commerce was the occupation of merchants at that very time. They would import precious stone, different metals and other articles. Southern and Eastern India, Kashmir, Central Asia and Western countries. Similarly, through land routes in Baluchistan and Persia, trade between Indus Valley and Sumer, Mesopotamia existed. There were international trade also. Play and amusement. How did they amuse themselves? वो अपना मनोरंजन किस प्रकार करते थे? The Indus Valley people also found time to play and amusement. वो अपने मनोरंजन के लिए और खेल के लिए भी समय निकाल लिया करते थे. They preferred indoor games और hobbies. A large number of dices have been found during excavation. बहुत सारे पासे मिले हैं. जैसे हम खेल खेलते हैं, लूडो वगैरह खेलते हैं या शतरंज खेलते हैं, पासा खेलते हैं, तो उस तरह के पासे भी मिले हैं. They shows the dicing and gambling was favorite game of these people. They were also fond of music and dance. वो संगीत और नृत्य के भी प्रेमी थे. Besides this, hunting, keeping pet animals, birds and enjoying bullfighting was also pastime. इन सब खेलों का भी वो मनोरंजन के लिए इस्तेमाल करते थे. Large number of toys, dolls also have been excavated. खिलौनों का भी और गुड़ियों का भी वहाँ से जब एक्सकावेशन हुआ, खुदाई हुई है, तो उनसे खिलौने और गुड़ियाँ भी प्राप्त हुई हैं. They cared for the playthings of the children. बच्चों के भी खिलौने का भी वो ख्याल रखते थे. The toys were mostly made of terracotta and baked clay. Small imagination toys were also known to those people. Imaginative toys were also known to those people. So let us conclude this very topic. In next topic we will be studying about religion of Indus Valley civilization. So in this very chapter we have studied about the economic life of the people and the remaining portion of the art and sculpture of the craft. If you have any doubt, you can consult me by phone. So till then, stay safe and take care.